Hey, it's Glenn the Ball Chef. Got something special for you tonight. We're going to put together a snow crab salad sandwich. Everybody loves snow crabs. Easy recipe to put together. I haven't seen one on YouTube, so I'm going to do my version of a Alaskan snow crab sandwich. And we're going to serve it on sourdough bread, and stay to the end of the video. There's a special ingredient that I'm going to add. So without any further ado, I'm going to get this thing rolling, and we're going to go to the kitchen. Okay, these are Alaskan snow crab legs. And what we're going to do is we're just going to split these open and take all of the sweet meat right out of the shells and stack it up. It's a laborious process, so I'm not going to bore you with the details of me getting this crab. Now we have got our meat all prepared. Got a stalk of celery. Cut that right down the middle. Put a nice little chop on there. Celery really works well with this simple recipe. So we're just going to chop that up. A little bit of an angle, I guess. I always work on my culinary skills, I guess. But I'm doing alright. Now we're going to put a little chop on them. Coming along. And now I think we just about got it where we want it. I'm going to take a little bite of that. Looks pretty good. Take another bite. Oh yeah. So we take that, put it into a bowl, pick up the little crumbles, put them in there, and then we're going to put our delicious Alaskan sweet crab meat that I went through and got all the shells off. Now, I couldn't believe it. Wanted to go down and get some Hellmann's mayonnaise. $5 for a little jar. Go with Hellmann's if you got it. I just went with a regular mayonnaise that they had for $3. This salad recipe, crab salad recipe, definitely needs some celery seed. So I'll put in about, now this is making one sandwich here, so I just put in maybe a half a teaspoon of that. Some good old-fashioned Tony's Cajun seasoning. Give this a little spice. Probably seen me use this in other recipes. It's good stuff. Last step here is I'm going to doll it up with a little bit of black pepper. Maybe a teaspoon. That's it. Now, I'm just going to carefully mix the crab meat, celery, salt, pepper, and our Cajun seasonings. And now we've made a little crab meat salad. Oh yeah. Now, the bread. Gotta be sourdough. Absolutely sourdough. So put some butter in the saucepan. We're going to melt this down a little bit. And then we're going to take out some beautiful sourdough bread that I bought fresh today. Old bread never works good for a sandwich. A sandwich is only made with fresh bread. As you see, there it is. We're going to put that, get a little butter on there. We're going to toast this up nice and golden brown. Oh yeah, baby, this is going to be good. Just watch me. Now, that secret ingredient, avocado. Such a healthy finish to this sandwich. We're going to take the seed out of it. Usually just hit that thing, pop that seed right out, chop it up a little bit. Probably a whole avocado is way too much for that. I'll eat that later. I love avocado. It's my favorite. It really is. So healthy. And it just pairs so nicely with this Alaskan crab salad. This is like a little, I don't know, seasoning on top, or just adds something special. So we've loaded up our bread there. We're going to take our avocado, split that thing down there, put this up there, ladle that up on top. evenly distribute it throughout the sandwich. And, you know, there's nothing more healthy than avocado. And it just, like I said, I don't want to repeat myself, but it just really paired well with this Alaskan crab salad sandwich on this beautiful sourdough bread. So now that we've got that all arranged, then the last step here is we're going to take the top of our sourdough bread, lay the top onto the sandwich, and we're going to cut it. Some guy told me once, you know, if you cut the sandwich straight across, it just doesn't taste right. So I put an angle cut on this, and that's pretty much it. That's all it is. We're going to take it over to a plate here, and then we're going to go to the tasting kitchen and give this one a review. I think it's going to be great. Alright folks, now we're at the tasting table. And what do we got here? Oh my god, this is an incredible sourdough bread crab, Alaskan crab. No. Hey folks, okay, we just completed the sandwich. This is a Alaskan snow crab sandwich, sourdough bread. Oh yeah. This should be good. Should be real good. Absolutely fit for a kid. Give this recipe a try. You will certainly be dip-dazed, glazed, and amazed. So what I should tell you is I'm putting up some content. It's good stuff. Subscribe. 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 Hit that like icon bell. Let's make a connection here, folks. Let's work together. It's Glenn the Ball Chef. Thanks for joining me tonight. And as always, bon appetit.